I just got for the price of only 36 euros an amazing iOS 6 iPad 4. Now let's see what I got. And great, we get a box inside the box. So this is it. It's looking pretty good on the back, not so much on the front. And there we have it, it's the iOS 6 Apple logo. And wow, it's on the setup screen. So there we go. I can't believe this. It's an iPad 4, you can tell by the lightning port. So this is a 32GB iPad 4 on iOS 6.1.3, and it's also a cellular model. So I'm so happy for this purchase. I'm not sure if I'm gonna replace the glass or not. I might keep this original. I'm slowly starting to make an iOS 6 ecosystem with my iPhone 5 on 6.0.1. So I hope you like this unboxing video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and most importantly, have a nice day.